Video we are going to see about histogram flat. Histogram is a powerful technique and it gives the accurate representations, and it was introduced by Carl Pearsons and similar like a vertical bar graph but without gaps and histogram plot is nothing but takes the series of data and divided into the bins, and each bin we are going to plot the frequency data, and it is mainly used for summarize the distribution of the data sample. And the difference between the bar graph and the histogram: bar graph represent the categorical data and represent rectangular bar, and histogram also come in the rectangular bar, but it is used to describe the distributions, and there is the no gap between the bars in the and syntax of the histogram: array, bins, weights, color, and cumulative with align property and histogram type, orientations, that is that either horizontal, vertical, label, stacked. See here, everything's or optional one except the x values. The histogram. First, we have to divide the given value into series of intervals, and next we have to count how many values between the in each interval. You have to count it, and the bins must be a consecutive, and it must be here. First, you're importing the matplot library pyplot. Analyze name is plt, and we have given that value set of values x, and then plot the histogram and give the title and x label x-axis, y label name is y-axis given. See how we have to find here intervals. By default interval is 10 only. See here example, the x hold the value 16 value, so n equal to 16, and range we have to find out. How do we have to find the maximum value? In the x is 40 and minimum value is 10, so 40 minus 10 30. And next how we can find the width of the each bar? So 30 the range value and divided by the default interval values 10, so we get 3. And next we can classify the intervals here 10 to 13, and 10 to 13 means below 13. What are the values available in x? Only 1, so frequency is 1. And next start from 13 and below 16. Okay, so totally 4 values: 13, 13, 14, 15. For likewise you have to continuously find out, and then we can draw the graph. So the intervals is mentioned in the bin, each bin. This is a frequency. So between the intervals how many times the values are present in x, that is a frequency. And bins, the interval ranges by default is 10 intervals, 10 to 13 and 13 to 16 likewise, so 10 intervals has come. And next the previous one we don't give the bin value, but here x is equal to set of value and y list also hold the value 10, 20, 30, 40. But in the KIST functions we pass the bins equal to y, so the y value we are passing to the bins. Previous value default bins only is formed. Here we have given through the variable y. So bins how is formed? 10 to the likewise 10 to 20 and 20 to 30 and 30 to 40 bin is formed. So according to that intervals formed, and 10 to 20, below 20 what are the values available, that is a frequency. And the next according to that graph is drawn. And next with integer bin, see x value is given and y equal to 6. previous one list of values given for bin, but here only the 6. So totally how many bins should come? 6 bins should come. So see here, 6 bin has come, 10 to 15, and then 50 to 20, 22 25, and 25 to 30, and 30 to 35. So totally 6 bin has come. And we can set that available like the previous bar chart, line plot we have set. Likewise we can set that label font name Algeria, here set font size 15, and rotation we can give either horizontal, vertical, or the degree value also you can give. Here rotation equal to horizontal given, so horizontally it. And next we can use the weights attribute in the history function. So x value is given set of values, and bin value is 6 given, and color set pink, and edge color means that border color red, and weights is given. See here that x value and weights value, the size must be same. X hold totally 6 value, so likewise weights also should have the 6 value, otherwise it raise the error. So according to that x value, the weight is consists of frequency. According to that weight it will be drawn. See here first that bar is 5. How it is come 5? So weight value, first value is what? 5. So it is come as a frequency. And next in x value is 15 occur 2 places, second place and fourth place 15 has come. So the corresponding weight value is what here? 10 and 15. So both will be added, 10 plus 15, 25. So now you see that second one is 25. And next 8, weight value 8 will be placed, and then 15 already we have taken, so it won't come. And next 20, and then 25 strong.